In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add contacts on the Zoom app. Okay, once you've logged into the Zoom app, you'll be on this page and then you can see tabs at the bottom. Tap on contacts and then you can see a plus sign at the top right. Tap on that. Now you want to tap on add a contact and you can go ahead and enter in their email address. I'll just enter in one as an example. And then once you've entered in the email address, all you need to do is tap on the blue add button and an invitation will be sent to that email address. And once they accept, you'll be able to go ahead and call them and do meetings with that specific person. And you can also connect your phone contacts if you would like by tapping on connect phone contact. So that would be how you would add contacts on the Zoom app. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.